Welcome back everyone to part 2 of our series on Ontario G1 driving written test practice. If you haven't watched the previous parts yet, you can find all the links in the description below. Today we will continue our journey of preparing for the written test by going through more question and answer. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it.
Let's start the quiz. Question number one. When faster traffic wants to pass you, the correct answer is move to the right and let it pass in safety. Option A is the correct one. Next question. Question number two. When lights are required, drivers are required to switch to low beam headlights. The correct answer is within 150 meter of an oncoming vehicle. Option B is the correct one. Next question. Question number three, a pedestrians facing a flashing or steady hand or don't walk symbol it should be not cross but finish crossing the street if they have already started. Option C is the correct one. Next question, question 24. What documents may a police officer requires a motor vehicle owner to produce a valid driver license, liability insurance card, proof of motor vehicle or ownership? So option A, option C, and option D, these all are correct. You can select any one of them. Next one, question 25. The best ways to stop quickly on a wet or a icy roadway is to brake, and if the wheel lock, then release pressure until you come to the stop. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question 6. If you do not tell the truth about your vehicle insurance or if you show false document, then in this case, the correct answer is have your vehicle taken away for up to 3 months. It's correct. You can be fined to $25,000. It's also correct. And the last option is you may lose your driver license for up to 1 year. All three options are correct. So we are going to select this option number one, which is all of these. Next question, question number 7. Never change lanes without signaling, checking the rear view mirror and checking blind spot. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question number 8. Unless otherwise posted, the maximum speed limit allowed on the highway outside of the city, town, and village is, the correct answer is almost 80 km per hour. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question number 9. How many demerits points will be recorded on your license for failing to stop or police? The correct answer is option D, 7 points. Next question, question 10. In good weather conditions, you are required to keep a safe distance behind the vehicle in front of you. You should keep at least a 2 second gap to the other vehicle. Option D is the correct one. Next question, question number 11. Before moving from a park position, you should always signal and check for traffic, pulling out only when it is safe to do so. Next question, question 12. How many demerit points will be recorded on your license for careless driving? Almost 6 demerit points will be recorded. Option D is the correct one. Next question, question number 13. If your vehicles go off the pavement, you should take your foot off the gas pedal to slow down, grip the steering wheel firmly and avoid heavy braking. It's correct. Get the vehicle under control, steer toward the pavement. A, B, and C, these three options are correct. So next question is question number 14. When approaching a railway crossing where an electrical or mechanical signal device is warning of the approach of the train, you must stop at least 5 meters from the nearest rail or gate. Option D is the correct one. Next question, question number 15. If a tire blows out, then you should take your foot off the gas pedal to slow down and steer the vehicle firmly in the direction you want to go. Option C is the correct one. Next question, question 16. In what lane of traffic you should drive when you intend to make a right hand turn? The correct answer is close to the right side of the road. Option B is the correct one. Next question. Under what circumstances may you lend your driver license to another person? Never. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question number 18. When you are driving with a G1 license, you must not drive on 400 series highway with a posted speed limit over 80 km per hour. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question 19. Persons operating mobility device are treated the same way as pedestrians at all time. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question 20. When descending a steep hill, a good and safe driving practice is to gear down and use the motor to assist in braking. Option A is the correct one. Next question. During poor weather conditions such as rain, snow, smoke, and fog, switch your headlights to low beam. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question 22. On approaching an intersection where a traffic signal light is red and policeman motions you to go through, you should obey the policeman's signals and then proceed. Option B is the correct one. Next question, question 23. Flashing red beacons above an intersection means the correct answer is you must come to the complete stop and move through the intersection only when it is safe to do so. Next one, question 24. Parking lights should be used for parking only. Option D. Next question, question 25. In what position on a roadway you must do before making a left turn from one-way traffic street? The correct answer is close to the left side of the roadway. Option A is the correct one. Next question, question 26. Under what circumstances may a driver lose their license? Uh, any of these. Option A, option C, and D, all are correct. Next question, question 27. At streetcar stops, stay at least dash meters behind the rear doors where passengers are getting off or on. And the correct answer is 2, almost 2 meters behind the rear doors. Next question, 28. When a right turn against a red signal light is permitted, what does the law require you to do before entering the intersection and making a turn? The correct answer is come to the complete stop and wait until the way is clear. Option A, option D is the correct one. Next question, question 29. A solid line at the left of your lane means it means it is unsafe to pass. Option D. Next and the last question of this quiz. When parking facing downhill, you should set your parking brake only. It's correct. Leave your front wheels parallel to the curb. It's also correct. Turn your front wheels to the left and set your parking brake. This is also correct. So we select this option D, which is all above options. And guys, here this Ontario practice rule test number 2 is also completed.
Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you in next video for more G1 driving test preparation. Drive safely and best luck on your journey to getting your G1 license.